The campfire. It pulls people together like magic. One minute you cold and grumpy in the woods, next minute you laughing over melted marshmallows and telling stories you'd never admit back in civilization. But building a fire, that's where most people panic. Relax, you're about to master it. First things first, you need gear. Fire doesn't just happen. You need 3 things: tinder to start it, kindling to grow it, and logs to keep it alive. Dry stuff only. Wet wood is just forest-scented disappointment. Grab twigs, bark, pine needles, whatever catches quick. Then build your foundation like you're crafting a tiny wooden masterpiece, and location matters more than you think. Set your fire in a safe, open area. Not under a tree, not next to your tent, not beside Cousin Eddie's mystery fuel can. Clear the ground. Respect the wind. Fire is friendly until it's not. Now it's construction time. You've got options. Feeling traditional? Go with the teepee, structure classic, dependable, elegant. Feeling bold? Build a log cabin style fire. It's sturdy, easy to load, and honestly makes you feel like a wilderness architect. Just don't suffocate the flames. Your fire needs air like you need coffee on Monday mornings. Lighting it up is where things get fun. A match, a lighter, flint and steel if you want to look awesome in front of your friends. The trick: start small. Light the tinder first. Feed it gently. Blow softly like you're trying to cool soup, not inflate a bounce house. And seriously, no gasoline. This is a campfire, not a Michael Bay explosion scene. Once it's going, keep it going. Add wood slowly. Turn logs now and then so they burn evenly. And keep a fire only as big as you actually need. You're trying to stay warm, not summon Batman. But listen, your job's not done when the s'mores are gone. Fire safety is survival rule number 1. When it's time to sleep or leave camp, put that fire out completely. Water, dirt, stir, repeat. If it's still warm, it's still dangerous. Don't be the reason Smokey Bear quits his job. In the end, a great campfire isn't just about heat. It's about moments. Warm hands, quiet nights, flames dancing like they're alive. Out here, around the fire, you're not just surviving, you're living.